Hey kids, I'm gonna put bird food in the bird feeder.
Birds will appreciate this. Now we gotta get the bird food. We gotta get the fuel.
The bird food
The fuel for the birds.
The bird food
Yes.
in the shed.
Yes. Here we go.
Here's the shed.
This will be good. Here we go. Okay. Here, let's see how we do this. Here, we'll put that right in there. Do you know how to operate that? No? Here. See, look, right in there. See how that, you see that right straight through? You push that and it shuts it, okay? You grab one. Here, grab a scoop and then push that button there. No, push it that way. That's it. Push it that, there you go. See how that works? Isn't that slick? Yeah. There, let's do it again. Let's do it again. Okay, here we go. Now try pushing that button again. There you go. That's it. Just tap it. Good. Very good. Now we're all set. Okay, go ahead. Throw a little more in there. Go ahead. In there. There you go. Good job. Good job. Now the birds are ready to chow down, buddy.